Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title AI Therapist Using Natural Language Processing. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. Let us first understand what therapy is. Therapy is like talking to someone who knows how to help you feel better when you're going through a tough time. This person can be a therapist who is trained to listen and give advice, or it could be a computer program that talks to you like a chatbot. In therapy, you talk about your feelings and problems, and the therapist or chatbot helps you figure out how to deal with them. It's a way to get support and learn ways to handle difficult emotions and situations. Sometimes life can be tough and it can make us feel sad, worried, or stressed. Therapy is helpful because it's like having a guide to help us understand and deal with those feelings. Our mental health, which includes how we feel, think, and act, is really important for how we live our lives. But things like our family history, things that have happened to us, and the world around us can affect how we feel. Sometimes these things can make us feel really down, anxious, or overwhelmed. Therapy is a way to talk about these feelings and get support to feel better and cope with life's challenges. Depression is feeling really sad for a long time and not enjoying things we used to like. Getting better involves talking to someone, possibly taking medicine, making lifestyle changes, and getting support from others. Therapy, whether with a person or a computer, helps by providing a safe space to talk, challenge negative thoughts, and learn how to cope better. The project uses a chatbot to give personalized help with mental health through texting. It understands what users say and gives them private help when they need it. The goal is to make it easier for people to get support for their mental health and to make talking about it feel less scary or shameful. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So here this is main.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now, compile the main.py file using the command python space main.py. So here I'm typing python space main.py and hit enter. This is the graphical user interface created using Tkinter framework. With this, we can interact with the project. So here, this is the text box. Here we need to enter the text. So I'm entering the text as good morning to communicate with the chatbot. Now click on send. So here we can see the response from the bot, that is good morning. I hope you had a good night's sleep. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling low. I'm feeling lonely. So here we can see the response. I am here for you. Could you tell me why you're feeling this way? I don't have any friends. I don't have any friends. I'm sorry to hear that. Just know that I'm here for you. Talking about it might help you. Why do you think you don't have any friends? I feel stuck. What do you think is causing this? I can't take it anymore. Talk to me, tell me more. It helps if you open up yourself to someone else. I'm scared. I understand how you feel. Don't put yourself down because of it. I want some advice. Okay, what do you need advice on? I want to learn about mental health. Oh, that's really great. I'd be willing to answer anything I know about it. What is depression? And here we can see the response to the question which I have asked, that is, what is depression? And here we can see a mental health disorder characterized by persistently depressed mood or loss of interest in activities causing significant impairment in daily life. Depression is nothing but feeling lost. And the next question which I want to ask is, how do I know if I have depression? And the response is, for a diagnosis of depression, a person needs to have experienced low mood or loss of interest or pleasure in life for at least 2 weeks. Also, they will have experienced the following symptoms: feeling of sadness, hopelessness, or irritability nearly every day. So, if the person is feeling in this way, it means that the person is depressed, feeling low always, feeling irritated. And if this is the feeling for like continuously for 2 weeks, it means that the person is having the depression. What does a therapist do? What does So here this is the response to the question. A therapist is a broad designation that refers to professionals who are trained to provide treatment and rehabilitation. The term is often applied to psychologists, but it can include others who provide a variety of services, including social workers, counselors, life coaches, and many others. What is therapy? Therapy is a form of treatment that aims to help resolve mental or emotional issues. What does it mean to have a mental illness? And here we can see the response. Can people can people with mental illness recover? And here we have the response. When healing from mental illness, early identification and treatment are of vital importance based on the nature of the illness. There are a range of effective treatments available. For any type of treatment, it is essential that the person affected is proactive and fully engaged in their own recovery process. So, in this way, by providing the text, we can get the therapy from the chatbot. So, here we can see the responses, which are actually very helpful. So, we can chat more with the chatbot. We can tell all the problems to get the solution to feel better. So, therapy helps us cope up with the challenges which we are facing. It makes us feel better. It will give us suggestions, solutions to deal with the problems which we are facing. In conclusion, the project successfully utilized AI chatbots to offer personalized mental health support through text conversations, making assistance convenient, confidential, and accessible. By reducing stigma and leveraging technology, it demonstrates promising possibilities for enhancing mental well being on a broader scale.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.